In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and sort your files using Google Drive effectively. Managing files on Google Drive can be a daunting task, but with a few simple steps, you'll be navigating your digital space like a pro in no time. First, let's start by accessing your Google Drive account. Head over to the Google Drive website and log in using your credentials. If you're already signed into another Google service, you'll find yourself automatically logged into Drive, which is a handy feature of the Google ecosystem. Once you're in your Google Drive, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot a sort button that looks like an arrow icon pointing downward. Clicking this button will open a menu with several sorting options. Now, this is where you can make Google Drive work for you, making it simple to locate exactly what you need when you need it. In the sorting menu, you have several choices. The first option is to sort your files alphabetically by name. You can select either A to Z or Z to A, depending on your preferences. This is particularly useful if you have files with names that follow a series or pattern. If you prefer to see the files you've been working on most recently, you can choose the last modified option. This setting will rearrange your files, showing the most recently edited at the top. It's a great way to keep track of ongoing projects without manually searching through your archives. The last modified by me option is slightly different. It focuses solely on files that you have personally changed rather than general modifications. This can be helpful if you share access with others but need to focus exclusively on your edits. Additionally, there's an option to sort by the last opened by me, allowing you to quickly return to files that you've recently accessed without necessarily editing them. This is ideal for frequently referenced materials. Another practical sorting method is by storage used. Selecting this will arrange your files from the largest to the smallest, giving you a clearer picture of what's taking up space. This can be particularly handy if you're nearing your storage limit and need to do some housekeeping. Finally, it's important to note that when you're sorting by name, folders will always appear above files. This can make it easier to manage large collections of documents within organized categories. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to manage your digital files using Google Drive's sorting options. By applying these techniques, you can save valuable time and reduce frustration when searching for files. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in optimizing your Google Drive experience.